3 and 4. What's it called? Trucks 3 and 4, 10th Street elevator. Jefferson Station, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Just bouncing. I have a blue raspberry Slurpee here. P. I'm gonna put this down here. Sorry, sorry. Just get organized while I'm doing this. There we go. Here we are at P. S. Section B. Sorry. Take it for one more ride just to get the motor and going up. Here's my headlamp baseball cap. If I can just show you all the different lights. There's one, there's another, here's biking mode. Ended at P. All right, we're gonna end this on P because we do not want to run into that lady again. Here we are at P, and that's it.